Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you recover Gmail with two-factor authentication and lost phone. So to recover a Gmail account with two-factor authentication and a lost phone, you'll need to utilize your backup option such as backup code or recovery email phone or go through Google's account recovery process. So basically what I'm going to do is open up my Google account. First of all, I'm going to use my Gmail, and after which you could click on account and go to Google. Then what next you want to do is make sure to verify it before you move on. And next thing, it's going to ask you to enter in your email address and click on the next button. So next thing, it's going to ask you to enter in your password. Then you could just click on forgot password, and if you previously generated a backup code, you could use one of them to sign in. All you need to do is navigate to a Gmail login page and username and prompt it for two-factor authentication. Select try another way, and then you could enter a backup code. So next, what you could do is enter one of the unused backup codes, and if you have a recovery email or phone number set up, you could also use those to receive or recover your phone number. So just like I'm gonna click on this and click on the next button, after which you could just do this procedure, and that way you'll be able to find this option to recover your Gmail account with two-factor authentication. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.